I should be in Europe living my black magical life. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So first of all, thank you all for your love as well as your feedback on my recent community post. As you all know, there's just a lot going on and your girl was just feeling a little down last week, so I took some time, you know what I'm saying? But I'm back. So I'm in my slap cap. Last week I shampooed and conditioned my hair and I just kind of left it. I shampooed my hair with the Niche Beauty shampoo, which is a good cleansing, clarifying situation. Then I followed that up with the She Scented Papaya Scalp Scrub. I'll put in pictures of all of these things. Deep condition with the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil Mask. Once I rinse all of that stuff out, I literally put on one of my favorite leave-ins, which is the green tea leave-in from TGIN. I detangled my hair and I left it alone. It's been in these same plaits for over a week. And you know what? What was the purpose of me using styling products and manipulating my hair unnecessarily? Where am I going? Every couple of days, I've just been misting my braids with my boo, my bae, my lavender shaken hair spritzer from Camille Rose. You all already know that this is the refresher of all refreshers, okay? So today I actually want to style my hair and I want to try out this combo I came up with. So if you've watched any of my recent curl cocktail combo hashtag use your stash situations, you definitely saw the combo where I used the As I Am double buttercream and the pearly braid out glaze from the Main Choice. So today I actually want to try out another combo that's kind of similar to that with a couple of my staples. This is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Creme Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter. If you've been on my channel longer than 2 minutes, you know that I love this. Like, I love her. I love her so much. Now, while the cocoa creme is just everything we need and more, it's going to give me moisture and definition and shine and all of that. However, it doesn't give me hold. So I'm going to follow it up with a gel and I'm going to be using the Main Choice Cheers Gelato. Also, if you've been around here longer than 2 minutes, you already know how I feel about this, okay? So I'm going to be trying these out today. Now I have to say that more than likely I won't be going anywhere besides Target or the grocery store. So I'm not finna put in no whole bunch of time doing no flat twists. Braid outs are back. And I'm only doing 5 braids. You all already know I'm not about that life of doing 50-11 braids. So we're gonna do 5. And I'm gonna be trying out this curl cocktail and kind of chit-chatting and talking some shiznai. Like I said, my hair only has leave-in applied. My hair is also still very soft and moisturized because I don't push on no trash. I'm actually going to take these down and separate my hair into 5 sections so we can just grab and go. Okay, as usual, everything will be linked down in the description box. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the moisture butter, which, if you don't remember, is this super thick creamy goodness. Using my knuckle to get the product out because, of course, with everything going on, can't get my nails done. And they are hanging on by a thread. Of course, I'll be soaking these off, but I just haven't taken my behind to the store to get like the 100% acetone. Like, I have acetone to like remove like regular nail polish, but if you all didn't know, I use the SNS dip powder, and if I were to use the acetone that I have here, it would take so long, and I can't be bothered. I can't. So I applied the moisture butter and I'm actually going to go in with the Felicia Leatherwood brush, which I've only used a couple of times, but I haven't really used it on my channel, I think. This will also be linked in the description box. And I'm just using this to make sure that the product is distributed. My hair is already detangled. And now I'm going to follow that up with a bit of the Cheers Gelato. Now listen. You don't need a lot of this. In case you haven't seen the thousands of videos I have on this, this is what the product looks like. Literally just tap your fingers in there and that's enough. Your hair is set for the duration, okay? Until you wash it, your hair is going to hold. Now if it doesn't, don't blame me. So yeah, can't even get my nails done. So I'm trying to keep it real cute, so these nails don't go flying off while I'm braiding up my hair. I did not do the little pre-test mixing the products on my hands. I have no idea how this is going to come out, but these are 2 products that I really love, so I have high hopes. Feel free to drop any DIY nail recommendations in the comments because I'm going through here. Other than that crises, like I was saying in my community post, I've just been feeling down lately. Probably just because of everything that's been going on. I wouldn't say that it's hit close to home. I guess I'm just finding it hard to fathom that this is the new reality. I guess I'm in some sort of denial. I just never thought that I would live to experience something like this. And to see so many people affected, losing their jobs, losing their lives, losing their family members, it's just been weighing heavy on me. So I've been trying to limit my time, like watching the news and on social media, because I just find that, I guess in a sense, that ignorance is bliss. It's just really sad, everything that's been going on. And all of that to say that I hope that you all and your families and your friends, your coworkers and your associates, and even I hope all of you are okay. So yeah, with everything going on, I've just been trying to, you know, stay positive and to keep busy. Like I said, my regular full-time job, because YouTube is not it, my regular full-time job is like even more hectic, remote, and you know what I'm saying? I just kind of have to figure out the boundary between home and work now, because I'm working from home. So figuring out a boundary there has just been a little bit of a challenge for me. But I'm definitely in better spirits this week. I guess I'm just trying to shift my perspective from fear to gratitude. In an effort to kind of lighten the mood, drop down in the comments and let me know what you guys want to see. I have a couple of new products. I have a new Cantu product that I wanted to try out. I also have some products from a company called Mahogany Naturals. So you all know that Cantu is definitely an affordable line. The Mahogany Naturals is a little bougie. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bougie. So Mahogany Naturals is a UK based brand and they've been around for years. So I was super excited when the owner, Tope, I believe that's how you pronounce her name, reached out to me. And she sent me products where I can do an entire wash day. So definitely be on the lookout for another bougie hashtag useyostash real soon. Also have a new styler from Cantu that I'll probably try out on my channel really soon. I know I got a couple of requests for some of the curl box lines that have released recently, and I'm not buying it. If you're interested in some of the curl box lines, check out my girl Denise Adore. I think Faye has bought a curl box or two. So if you're interested in some of the new product launches or some older products that have kind of resurfaced thanks to curl box, check out their videos. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm not buying it. I'm not buying nothing. Just in case you didn't notice, I am doing the hanging bantu knot method at the end of my braids. I did just get a trim, so my ends are pretty blunt. So just to encourage more curl definition at the ends of my hair, I am doing the hanging bantu knot method. So my YouTube sister and third eye angel actually touched on this in one of her recent videos. I can't remember which one because she's been pumping them out lately. Go girl. She's mentioned that she noticed that views are going down for a lot of her favorite creators, specifically the small creators. This is actually a topic that Sheree had mentioned to me maybe a week or two ago, and she asked me if I had noticed a drop in views for certain people. And I actually did it, mainly because you all know that this year I've been intentional about ignoring analytics. So I honestly didn't pay any attention until Brianna mentioned it in her video, and I'm like, wow, let's just call a spade a spade. A lot of the bigger YouTubers are throwing up content now because they know people are at home bored, but they haven't been consistent with content in general, let alone content that's within their niche. And now that everyone is at home and has nothing else to do, they're throwing up videos. Of course, viewers are watching as they should, especially if this is a content creator or an influencer that you genuinely have interest in and they're producing content that you care about. You should watch them. However, like Brianna said, don't forget about us babies here. We appreciate your viewership. And we aren't just throwing up content just because y'all have nothing else to do. All of that to say, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So I'm all done installing the braids and I'm gonna let these air dry probably for a couple of days because where am I going? So I'll be back for the takedown and we'll find out together whether this was a good decision. All right, so it's a couple of days later and my braids have shrunk up a lot. but ain't like I got nowhere to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these down. I don't feel like I need any oil at all because both of the products that I used are beyond moisturizing. That is the definition we're looking at. And needless to say, I'm a fan. So my hair feels nice and soft, but I can also feel the cast from the gelato. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Nice and moisturized. Definition's on 10. But like I said, my hair shrunk up a lot, so that will probably be my only caveat with this combo. Okay, so these are my final results, and let me just be honest, my hair is so moisturized. I would not recommend this combination to anyone with fine hair or anyone that wants a lot of definition and a lot of volume, and I'll tell you why. The cocoa creme is an extremely moisturizing product, and then the Cheers gelato is also an extremely moisturizing product. My honey, listen, my hair it feels greasy. So I have to say, I don't know if I would pair the two again, just because I don't see this being a long lasting style. I feel like I would have to rebraid every night, and y'all know I don't feel like doing that. I don't think that my hair looks bad. It's really soft and moisturized. There is some definition. It could be a bit shinier, and it could definitely be more defined. It's definitely more frizzy than I would like, but I don't hate this combination. This might be a combination that's more fitting for the drier, cooler months. I don't know if it's gonna work now. Be sure to drop down in the comments and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.